Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JFK International Airport, where the local time is 3:17 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt secured around you until the captain turns the seatbelt sign off and the aircraft is securely parked at the gate. When the fasten seatbelt sign is off, that will be your indication that you are free to move about the cabin. Please check those seatback compartments, closets, and overhead bins for any articles that you may have brought on with you. Once you leave the aircraft, you're not allowed to return. So please go ahead and check those seatback compartments and overhead bins for any articles that you may have brought on board with you. Also, this is your first port of entry into the United States. This simply means that you will need to clear immigration and customs. If you are making a connection and you purchase duty-free items of liquids, we ask you to please don't forget to place those in your recheck bags. The recheck-in area is located right outside of the customs hall. So again, if you purchase rum, anything that is liquid 3.4 fluid ounces or more, they need to be placed into your recheck bags. If you try to take it through TSA, they will confiscate them. So please go ahead and put them in those bags for recheck-in. On behalf of New York and Dallas-based flight crew, I want to thank you for flying with us this afternoon. We know you have a choice in your travel and appreciate that you have chosen American Airlines. Thank you.